Okay, I'm going to try videoing my repair of this micro USB phone charger. It's a simple problem. This cable should have this plug attached to it. It's just a simple connector got torn off. First I'll just bend that LED out of the way. I'll try just taking a little bit of good old leaded solder and try retinning all the pads. Okay, hopefully that's good. And I'll also go around and once I get it in, try retinning the pins on the connector. And like I said, I'll need to break my little solder bridges. Excuse me. That looks good. Here's this here's the car end. It's just a Verizon branded thing. It looks like this. You can just hopefully just line back up. First I'll try bending the pins slightly down. And now let's try I guess you'd call this reflowing the joints now. Now it's hard to get a close look. I think some of my pins didn't get down at all. Maybe if I just shift it like that and then reheat the joints. Try just flowing a teeny bit of solder. Oops, I think everything's connected, but no, I have some huge solder bridges. Hold on. This isn't working. Let me see if I have some tool I can use to help. Okay, I found this little regular steel pin for sewing or something. It's probably not ideal, but I'll try using it too. Help clear out my bridges. Try different angles, I'll get a better try. Okay, I think that's something. Or I just re-bridged that, you'd say. Ow. Almost there, just one. Alright. I think that's all pins. Move the light. Try to get a better look. And that wasn't the best idea. I should not have reheated those joints, just made more bridges. Yeah, found my pin again. Let's try it again. Now, I think that's good. Unless there's another bridge. Ow. Keep forgetting it gets hot when you solder. Here we go, that looks like 1, 2, 3. It looks like all pins are good. Now I guess the next step would be to test it, maybe. Okay, welcome back. Now I'm just going to do what I can to test this car adapter I fixed. Once again, the problem is the connector got torn off. It's a micro USB connector. I just soldered it back on. Now to test it, I'll start by taking the car end. Only stay still. Try just hooking it up to simple, unregulated battery charger for a car. Simple, just negative on the outside, positive on the tip. Right now there's no phone or anything plugged in. What happens if I switch the power on? Here you can see it lit up. Go back on this end. Now, fortunately, I don't have a working Android phone, but I have my modded old Nokia phone that I modded to accept a charge over micro USB. So I'll see if this will work. Just plugging it in. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know what just happened with my phone there, but it should be working now. That's unexpected. I'll just go reboot my phone, see if that helps. Okay, so super simple. Just have the plastic top. Let's see if I can fit it back on this plug. Looks okay. And this has a little LED that comes on when you press it. Shines well. Now just one more time I'll try my Nokia phone. See if it wants to work now. Okay, it's booted up. Actually, the problem might be it's the charger I'm powering this with, because it provides an unfiltered DC output. So excuse me, I'll go try to find a capacitor to smooth it out. Okay, so this is my old-fashioned battery charger hooked up to the car adapter. And this is a 2200 microfarad 25 volt capacitor. Should be sufficient to smooth this out. Just hook up test leads to the capacitor. And I'll hook that up to the charger output somehow. Now I just switch the power on. Okay, nothing's exploded so far. This adapter has, is still powered now. Now here's my phone again. Trying this again. I'll unlock it first. Okay, plugging it in. Charging. And this menu is what it always does because of my hack. Oh, there we go. So, basically, through this whole process, I took surprisingly long, with many unexpected things, but I was able to repair this damaged connector and test it. Now this is acting erratically, but hopefully that's just because my phone's bad. Works better than before, at least.